Let's see the importance of pH in everyday life. The first one is pH of human body. Our human body have a pH range between 7 and 7.8. That means all the body fluids must have a pH value between 7 and 7.8. Blood, which is a body fluid, have a pH value 7.4. The next one is rainwater. Rainwater usually have a pH 5.6. Whenever the pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, we call that as acid rain. And the cause of acid rain is that sulfur and nitrogen gases are getting released from the industries, and they combine with the atmospheric oxygen and water to form sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides. They combine with atmospheric moisture and they come down along with the rain as acid rain. It is very harmful. It makes the seas and ocean polluted, and moreover, it is harmful to the aquatic animals as well as human beings itself. The next one is the pH of soil. The ideal pH of the soil is considered to be between 6 and 7.5. But we have to realize that pH of soil may vary from place to places. It is actually a general value of pH of soil, that is 6 to 7.5. And we can test the acidity or the nature of the soil by keeping it or by giving it into suitable laboratories. And if the acidity of the soil is too high, the cultivation will not be going nicely. So under such situation, when the soil is too acidic, we can treat the soil with calcium oxide and calcium hydroxides, quicklime and silicate lime. So these are basic substances. These basic substances neutralize the acidity of the soil so that the soil will be suitable for cultivation. Similarly, when the soil is too basic, we can use organic matters like compost, cow dung, manure, etc., which neutralizes the over basicity of the soil and makes it suitable for cultivation. The next one is pH in our digestive system. We all know that hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach, which is very essential for the completion of the process known as digestion. So, hydrochloric acid is always producing, and if once we are not consuming food at a proper time, the hydrochloric acid is already produced in our stomach, expecting the food to arrive at the particular time. So, when we are not consuming, this hydrochloric acid produced in the stomach remains as such without getting neutralized. So, during such a situation, we will feel heartburn, stomachache, etc. So, under such situations, we may consume antacid tablets. The content of antacid tablet is magnesium hydroxide, also known as milk of magnesia. It is usually a base. That base neutralizes the hydrochloric acid's effect in our stomach, and we will get a relief from our stomach pain and heartburn. The next one is cause of our tooth decay. The pH of our mouth or saliva is considered to be 5.5. Whenever the pH value decreases or less than 5.5, we say that our tooth is decaying. That is, our certain bacteria are present in our mouth and they degrade the sugar as well as food particles. And as a result of this degradation, acids are released. And it is the reason, the release of these acids are the reason why the pH value is decreasing. So we can neutralize the acidic effect by using suitable toothpastes. And the next one is self-defense by plants and animals. We may get bee sting, we may get honey bee sting, etc. And we are getting pain when they are stinging us. It is because as a part of their self-defense mechanism, they are injecting methanoic acid into our body. So by rubbing with baking soda, which is a base, we can neutralize the effect of the methanoic acid and we will get relief from the pain. Similarly, nettle leaves. It is a herbaceous plant found usually in the forest. It also have hairy leaves which produces methanoic acid whenever we touch it. So, dog plants. Always the nettle plants are associated with dog plants. The dog plants growing near to the nettle leaves have basic content in their leaves. So, if we rub the place where we get stung by nettle leaves with the dog leaves, the effect will get neutralized and we will have a relief in our pain. Then one of the interesting thing is that the atmosphere of Venus is covered with white and yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It clearly states that life existence is impossible in Venus. Next, I am added here some of the acids that are commonly present in the food that we usually consume. That means in vinegar, there is acetic acid. In orange as well as in lemon, there is citric acid. In tamarind, tartaric acid. Tomato, oxalic acid. And in curd, there is lactic acid.